Hey, what's going on? It's Don't Accept Reality, giving you insight on why I joined the military. The reason why I joined the military, I was living at home with my mom. I had my back against the wall. I felt like I didn't have any structure, any stability, any independence. And those are three things that I was provided when I joined the military. And also, I was able to lay a foundation to build my empire, which I'm currently still doing. I was just unsure which direction I wanted my life to go. And I did my due diligence. I looked into the military and I saw three major benefits of joining. And those three benefits consisted of the GI Bill. The GI Bill was huge for me because you're getting paid to go to school and they're paying for your school. Those are two different checks that you're receiving. Crazy. Who doesn't want to go to school for free and not have to worry about any student loans? That was one of the main reasons why I joined. The second main reason why I joined was traveling and networking. You travel, you get to see different parts of the world that you've never even imagined, places that you never thought you would see. I've been to Singapore, Dubai, Thailand, Guam, places that I never thought I would go. That benefit was crazy. And then the networking. There's so many people in the military network in whatever branch that you may join, and you'll create some lifelong friends and people that you're gonna even talk to, with your career within the military or just beyond it, that will always be there for you. And then the third and final benefit, which is probably the main reason why I joined, is the VA loan. The VA loan is a $0 down program that allows you to buy a home with $0. I thought that was amazing, epic, all the above. And that was the selling point for myself because I love real estate and I've read so many books and watched so many videos on it. Real estate is the way to generational wealth, and it's been around since time, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And I thought the VA loan was a great opportunity for myself to get into the real estate game. But with the VA loan, if you're unfamiliar with it, you're not going to know about the initial costs that are included with the EMDs, the appraisals, the home inspections, the closing costs. You're going to need funds, so it's not necessarily $0 down. You're going to need money. I have an ebook out called the Active Duty and Veteran First Time Homebuyers Guide, giving you guys a step-by-step breakdown on how to reach home ownership comfortably and with knowledge. And it's going to prevent you from any unexpected occurrences and just prepare you for a smooth process. Something that's going to keep you wanting to get into the real estate game. Because real estate can be very stressful if you don't know what you're doing. Take advantage of this VA loan. Check out my ebook and you guys will be ready for success. I'm telling you guys, I want to see everybody that's watching this video own a home someday, very soon. And if you do join the military, take advantage of the VA loan like myself. Get those homes under your belt and build that generational wealth. I really hope you guys enjoyed the reasons why I joined the military. And I look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys.